Hello, good morning and good afternoon, everyone. So in this AI technology meetup, we are looking at how data science tools can be leveraged for average data scientists. Data scientists nowadays have a lot of capabilities that they can use using these AI tools. So there are a set of AI tools and technologies that is available for data scientists for use their day-to-day work life. So where they can increase their productivity using these AI tools. So we are from Blue Chip Tech UK, where we bring this meetup, where we connect the AI technology with a lot of organizations and startups and universities and academic institutes as well. So we bring these kind of meetups every 2 months through our meetup channel. So keep engaged to our meetup channel with these upcoming sessions as well. And if you have any topics in mind, you can write to us as well. And kindly note, we'll be recording this session as well, and you will be getting a recording of this meetup as well. So in this today's session, we are going to cover how AI tools can leverage in the data science field. So as a data scientist, or if you are interested into the data science field, what are the AI tools that we can leverage and how we can benefit our day-to-day productivity using these AI tools. So we have ourselves Tilanka Pereira from Blue Chip Technologies. He will be going through the AI tools. We are introducing couple of AI tools and doing the comparison as well as a live demonstration of these AI tools. Kindly note, we are just like showcasing the available technologies. So these are developed by those respective companies, but we are showcasing the potential and the productivity enhancements available from these tools and how we can use those to leverage productivity into as a data scientist. And if you have any questions, you can put in the comment as well. And during the end of the session, we also have a Q&A where you can ask further question as well. Let's get started. I will hand over to Tilanka to continue the session.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Vijay. Good evening, everyone. I am Tilanka, and welcome to our online session on key AI tools for data scientists empowerment. So, it's fantastic to have all you here, and I appreciate you taking the time to join us from wherever you are. So, in the world of data science, we often face the challenge of dealing with vast and complex data sets. So, this is where our AI tools come into play and offering us powerful ways to manage, analyze, and visualize our data. So, these tools don't just make our task easier, they unlock new levels of insight and innovation. So, today we will delve into some of the most essential AI tools that are transforming our field. So we will see how they can help us work more efficiently, uncover deeper insights, and communicate our findings more effectively. Uh, I'm excited to share this journey with you and explore how these tools can elevate our work to new heights. So thank you for being here, and let's get started. So as we delve deeper into our session, let's outline the key phases of a data scientist work. So which can be divided into three main sections: data exploration and preparation, model building and training, and development and communication. First, data exploration and preparation. So this is where we gather, clean, and explore our data. So it's a crucial step since the quality of our data impacts the quality of our insights. So AI tools like data wrangling software and automated preprocessing softwares platforms save us time and improve data accuracy. So next, we have model building and training. So here we develop and fine-tune algorithms to make predictions. So AI tools such as machine learning frameworks and libraries are vital in this process, offering powerful capabilities for model development and optimization. So finally, deployment and communication. Uh, Once our models are ready, we deploy them into production environments. So we also need to communicate our findings effectively to stakeholders. So tools for deployment, monitoring, and data visualization can help us implement our models and present our results clearly. So throughout this session, we'll explore the AI tools that empower us in each of these phases and enhancing our efficiency, accuracy, impact. So let's move forward and see how these tools transform our workflow. So now let's talk about why AI tools are essential for data scientists. So first, AI tools streamline workflows, reduce manual effort, and increase accuracy. They automate repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus more analysis and interpretation rather than data cleaning and preparation. Secondly, these tools sorry, provide powerful capabilities for data collection, processing, modeling, and visualization. So they help us handle large data sets efficiently, applying sophisticated algorithms, complex algorithms, and create clear, compelling visualizations to communicate our findings. So third one, AI tools enable data scientists to focus on high-level problems, solving and innovation. So by taking care of heavy lifting, these tools free us up to think creatively, develop new solutions, and drive meaningful change in our organizations. So in essence, AI tools are not just enhancing our productivity, they are elevating our entire approach to data science, making it possible to achieve more with greater precision and insight. Uh, so let's dive into the specific tools and make all this possible. So let's outline the goals of this session. So first, we aim to highlight key AI tools uh, that empower data scientists. So we'll introduce you to some of the most influential tools in the field today. So then we want to demonstrate how these tools can enhance productivity and efficiency. So you will see how they streamline our workflows, reduce manual tasks, and improve accuracy. So finally, uh, we will provide practical examples and case studies of AI tools in action. So by sharing real world applications, you'll gain a better understanding of how these tools can be implemented to drive significant results. So by the end of this session, you will have a clear picture of how AI tools can transform your work, making you more efficient, productive, and innovative. So let's get started and explore these powerful tools today. So today we are going to discuss these three tools, three AI tools. These three cutting-edge AI solutions, they streamline data preparation, model development, and deployment, can propel data scientists to achieve impactful results. So first one is BigML, second one is obviously.ai, third one is RapidMind. So if we talk about the BigML, it's a smart tool that helps people easily create and use powerful machine learning models. So they offer features like automation, user-friendly interfaces, and effective predictions. So if we go to the BigML interface, so this is the BigML interface. So as you can see, you can uh, create account using your Gmail, and then Gmail over email, you can then create your account. Then it will show you kind of dashboard. So you can see here the sources. You can get your data sets from these sources, and you can upload your own data sets as well. So then here you can go to the data sets, you can upload your own data sets. So you can see the supervised, under the supervised section, models, ensembles, linear regressions, logistic regressions, deep nets, fusions, time series. So you can leverage these all of the algorithms into your dataset. In unsupervised, you can see clusters, anomalies, associations, topic models, PCA, likewise, predictions, classification, regression detection, cluster analysis, anomaly detections, likewise. So if you go to source, and then let's use some of the dataset, sample dataset by given the big ML. If we select the churn in telecom industry, so then you can see the columns and how many data set rows and fields are in here. So then you click this configure dataset, then you can create a dataset using this source. So then you can see the columns here, then histograms for each of every row. Then you can see some of the 59 instances, 1.77 point of data. And then if you go to this one, 130 out of 140. Likewise, they will give you a histogram for each of these rows. So then after that, then you can select whatever the model you want to prepare. If you want to linear regression, logistic regression, deep net, likewise, then if I go to model, it will process the data set automatically. So you don't need to uh, do the manual task. It will automatically build you a decision tree. So you can go with any path you want. So if you go to click this node, then it will give the prediction path. As you can see, it will give you the prediction path, and it path show you the true. It means if you go this path, there is a probability for churn. So this decision tree is a flowchart style sequence of questions and answers about a data point where the answers to those questions determine the tree's prediction of the objective value. So visualization of the decision tree, the colored circles or nodes represent questions, and the lines leading from those circles represent the possible answers to those questions. So likewise, then again, if you click this node, then you can go to another node, or then you can see the prediction path for this one. You click one, you can get the prediction path. Then if you go to this cloud-like icon, and if you click predict, it will give you a dashboard with the prediction results. So it is these are giving 99% or 7%, 78% false. So most probably there is no churn. So you can adjust these result, these components, these, and then you can see how the prediction will change. As you can see here, percentage will change. If you change this parameter, then you can see the prediction values change. So then you can, here in this tool, you don't need to do the manual process. You don't need to code. You do not need to enter parameters manually. So you have the all parameters here, all the columns data set in the data columns of the data set here. Then you can adjust this data from here by manually. without any prior IT knowledge. So then you can save the your model here. So here you can see the uh, saved dataset. Also, you can see the number of models likewise. So if you go to another one, so if you go to diabetic diagnosis, then you can see the data. Then you can add this data into your dataset. So you can see here the storing data, and you can see the histograms as well. So you can go to each of these features and check whether what these features are do. What are these features? Then you can get more results from these tools. I will go with the same path with the model, and then it will automatically process and then give you a decision tree. So in decision tree, you can click any node and you can get the prediction path, and then you can get this person has the diabetes or not. If you click the main node, then you can go to the go back. So then you can click predict, then it will predict. So you can see in this data sets, diabetes is 4. So you can change the glucose level, then it will change the parameters, change the output. So if you click the age, it will change the output. Likewise, you can change the parameters and see the result uh, manually. So that's it for this big ML AI tool. So you can go to this tool by this link and just search big ML in the Google. And then go to the first link, bigml.com. Then you can uh, here you have to get started with a free account. Then you can give your Gmail, and then you can create your own account and then test these example tools, data sets, and upload your own data set and test with those data sets as well. So if you do like small tasks, you don't have to uh, code manually for the like kind of these small models. To build these small models, you don't have to code manually. You can use these tools to save your time, to automate your process. So next AI tool, if you go to the next AI tool, the next AI tool is obviously AI, obviously.ai. So this AI is an innovative AI tool designed to democratize access to advanced predictive analytics. So it is a user-friendly interface, and this tool is a no-code data prediction platform with no-code requirement. sorry, so you can do data predictions in minutes without writing a code. Likewise, as previous tool. So in here, this tool provides you a very user-friendly environment than the beginning. So let's go to the obviously AI tool. So yeah, also you can in the Google you can search obviously .ai or like AI, not the images, AI. Then go to first link obviously .ai data science without code. Then you can get started free. Here click by clicking this button getting started free. So also you can see in their website you can see there what's possible with obviously AI. You can do the classification, regression, time series like without no coding. In couple of seconds, in couple of minutes, you can build these models. So groundbreaking AI model built in minutes, not months. Likewise, you can see what are the features they are offering and what they are doing in this field. So I already created my account, and if we use a sample data set, what they are giving, like they have a source sample data set, and you can see the table and what pick a column to predict. You can pick any column. So in the main purpose in this data set is to predict the churn. So then you can just click go. Then you can see the distribution as well in the bar chart. There is a 5,174 as a no and 186.9 as a yes. This bar graph using the data for churn. So then we can start the predicting. So it will build your model and make predictions automatically. So you don't have to code manually. So as you can see here, it built a classification model and your model is voting classified with an accuracy of 79% to 8. This is a great performance. So then you can see the table view here, top drivers like total charges, monthly charges, likewise. Then here give you a brief lead, then there is a no churn. So if you click yes, then you can see the parameters changing and the driver values changing. So if you go to table view and you can see the chart view as well. Likewise, you can see the chart view and you can go to point and see the what are the difference in each point. So if you go to no churn, then the graph is showing the upward because there is more probability for no. And then you can also go to point and see. So you can try these AI tools. Also, you can see the REST API here. If you go to use model, then you can also launch the model here, and you can also automate this tool using Zapier. I think you all know Zapier. If you think you already have a Zapier account, and you can log into Zapier through here, and then you can automate this process as well. So you can see the video tutorials how to use this AI tool more efficiency for your work. So text specs is, you can see the algorithm name. They use a voting classifier. Then training accuracy, you see here 81.65. Validation accuracy, testing accuracy, sorry, F score, precision, and you can see these drivers as well. In here, you can see the dataset detail, columns used, prediction columns used, sorry, identifier column, and the prediction column, and the column used in this dataset. So you can download the decision tree, confusion matrix, actual versus prediction results. Here, they also offer these features as well in the free trial. So you have, I think, 1,200 right price models. I can't see the actual value. So in here you can add your own data set, and then you want what model are you building, classification or regression, time series, clustering. Based on this model, you can go to select the what model you are going to build, and you can upload these all kind of files, CSV files, Dropbox, Google Sheets, SQL Server, MySQL. You can connect these to Salesforce. You can connect your Salesforce account to this one. Likewise, if you go to regression, you can also connect those for your regressions as well. So in here you can predict. Click predict after uploading your dataset, and you can select your datasets here. It will show your datasets. Then you can see the my models. Here you can, in the left side, you can see your models. If you go to my datasets, you can see your datasets. If we use this one, banking fraud, these are example datasets that provided by obviously AI. You can use your own datasets. So if we do another example using obviously AI, if we choose the banking fraud, then if you go to product, then you can see here table, then click banking fraud. Source is sample datasets. If you have uploaded your own dataset, you can use your own dataset in the source. It will show here. So pick up column to predict is fraud. Is that I'm going to predict. So then click go. Then it in the dataset there is 4 years, 7,000 for now, 7,000 attributes. It is also show you the ideal for prediction. They say your dataset is ideal for prediction. Then they say yes. If it is not suitable for prediction, then they will say no. So then you can, in here also left side corner, you can see advanced view on. Then you can see a very advanced view in your dataset. You can see the identifier column, prediction column, or you can change those things here as well. You can click filter and field ID like here. You can change. Let me all. Then start predicting. Then it will build your model, then make predictions according to our dataset. So this classifier with an accuracy of 99.44%. This is a great performance, they say. So if you go to each fraud, like twice, you can see the driver values. And also I think you can understand this more with the chart view than the table view. So you can select the chart view and you can see here is a fraud, yes, then it will change according to that. You can zoom and see the results. So you can use the model, then you can your model. You can edit it. It will say made with obvious.ai. Then you can see the values. Then you can add your own values and then you can predict. Also, you can upload CSV file and then predict the values according to this, according to the our model. So you can see the model text specs as here. So you can add values here like type. You can then cache in. Then you can add some values here. You can change these values and then you can predict the result. Here you can see it is a yes. Is fraud? Yes. If you give these values, it will say probability is 100% fraud. So you can change another value. And I put the type as cache out, then predict. They also know in that also it is a fraud. So you can change these values and see the result. So if you're uploading a CSV file, you can see what should my CSV look like. Like this one, you can have to uh, have these columns: step, type, transaction amount, send the old balance, send a new balance. Likewise, for use this model, you have to same columns in the in your CSV file. So you can download sample file as well. So that's it for the obviously AI. You can create your own account and you can use this AI tool and test whether it is better for your work. Or you can get some sample data sets from here: stock price, sales, insurance cost, airplane accidents. Likewise, you can test this AI tool using this data set, sample data sets for classification, regression, time series. If you don't know what kind of a model, what kind of algorithm you want to use for your data set, then you can filter your on the by algorithm classification, regression, and then you know if you go to regression, then you know this data set user regression, then you can use the regression model for your prediction. So here you can see the recent predictions, and as so that's it for this previously I don't. If you have any questions of, after the session. So let's go to the next AI tool. Rapid Miner. So next AI tool we are going to discuss is Rapid Miner, and it will build data and machine learning pipelines with code-free to code-friendly experiences. So it increases trust with interactive decision trees, model simulators, and other highly explainable features. So whether your organization requires an end-to-end data science platform or point solutions, Altea, it is a Altea Rapid Miner enables you to deliver the right tool at the right time. So it will extract and transform your data, build data and machine learning workflows, process and display your real-time data. So let's see how this Rapid Miner works. Sorry. So this is their official website, Altea Rapid Miner. If you go to Google and just search Rapid Miner. You can go to the first link, altea.com, Altea Rapid Miner, data analytics and data AI platform. In this one, they offer software platform. You can download that software in here. Yeah, if you go to resources, resources, if you go to downloads, you can, after creating an account, you can enter your account and then you can download their Rapid Miner Studio. Uh, so this is the Rapid Miner Studio. I already downloaded and logging from my account. So when you get started, you can see they will offer templates to start from. You can use this churn modeling, direct marketing, predict risk modeling, like these templates to predict and to build the model. Or you can start with the blank process to prep auto model. Likewise, then I recently did those two. So if we go to this, then you can see here operators. They have data access, blending, cleansing, modeling, scoring, validation. Likewise, they have these all of these operators in this studio. So if you go to local repository and then go to data, or you can just simply click import data, and if you have your own data set, you can upload your own data set. And
We cannot see any data sets, only the login screen.
also, so sorry guys. So this is the RapidMiner Studio. So when in their website, you can download their own. You can download their studio and then click just install, and it's the same. We do the same for other softwares. Just click the next and then agree for their uh, agreements, and then just click next. Then it will upload install to your PC. Then you can open this. So if I close and open it, just give me a second. So as you can see, if we when we are opening it, you can see they are offering some templates to start for it. Then they are offering churn modeling, direct marketing, credit risk modeling. Likewise, you can choose these templates and then you can use these templates. So, or you can start with a blank process, auto prep, or auto model. Likewise, so I will do from the scratch. Then you can see here there are some features and there are operators. So they will have data access operators, data blending operators for cleansing, modeling. They have a lot of operators. If you go decision tree, then you can see they have a decision tree operators, random forest operators. Likewise, you can just search here and then use it. So for import a dataset, you can click import and then you can upload your dataset on your dataset, or you can go to database and a local repository or temporary repository. Likewise, so new connection, then you can get your own dataset. Customer computer, you can choose from your computer. Then you can see the temporary repository or local repository under the data. You can change the path. So I just go with the customer churn data. If you go to turbo prep in here, you can go to local data and then load data. So here you can see a bunch of features what they are offering. You can transform this dataset, you can clean this dataset, you can generate, pivot, merge. Likewise, you can do this stuff without coding. So you just have to click the column, and if you want to clean, then just click the cleans and cleans. Here some of the features are not showing because we are not select the column. If you select the column, then what kind of cleaning methods you want to do, they are showing. So if you here you can see some of the values are missing in the churn category. So then you can replace missing value or most frequent, or you can give a specific value like none. Then you can apply. Then as you can see, it is applying. That here you can see none. They apply. Or you can see you do the dummy encoding, remove duplicates. Likewise, then you can commit the claims. You again go to clean, then if you go to auto cleaning, so they will do the cleaning part or very automatic. So you don't need to select the columns as well. They will do the automatically your cleaning part. So here you can see just click a column, then click next, and now you can keep original, change to all numbers. Likewise, just click next, then perform PCA, perform normalization. You can do both. Then apply auto clean. Here you can see target column churn, remove local columns, replace missing values, PCA, normalization. They do these 5 tasks in this auto cleaning process. So you can apply auto cleaning and then commit cleans. Then you get a very quality data set. So you can go to these other process as well, transform, then you can select a data column, then you can do these things, select churn, then you can do these things. Likewise, go to each and every feature and then see what they are capable of. So if we go to design, So let's see a prediction. So you can here just drag and drop your dataset. Likewise. Then you can just click and create a data pipeline. After pipeline, path line, likewise you can only you can then you can run, then you can see the dataset here. Likewise, then you can see statistics here, visualizations, how your dataset uh, transactions, customer churn data. Likewise, if you again go on to again design, then if you go on to if you want to design a decision tree, just click in the operator decision tree, click and drag and drop. So then you can fix the quakes. Then you can select. No, sorry. You can change this by giving just a name. So you can see here I already built one for creating a decision tree. So you have to filter examples because here you have missing values because I use a filter. Then you can select a column. What is the column you are using for decision tree? Then is not missing. So I am going to pass not missing values, all of the not missing values here. So then I will go to decision tree, and then if you run, you can see the decision tree here. So it is mostly gender wise. So then you can give a name like Annie, then give an age like Annie, she's a female, then you can give an age like 45, 30, then you can go with this path. Like get some data like transaction, then payment method, then you can see churn, loyal, likewise. You can go with the path, always get some data and you can go with the path. Then you can see. So if we go to design and then if you try to build a model, not a model selection. So here I will show you, we can use this rapid runner AI tool for select the best model. So we can see use different models like 4 to 5 models. Then we can use this AI tool for select the best algorithm for our work. So here you can add your likewise drag and drop your data set, and then you can always you have to give a parser filter because if you have missing values, it will filter missing values, then only pass the not missing values. So then you can use a compare. Here you can select search compare, and then you can see a visual validation. The visual, you can click, drag and drop this one. Likewise, if you double click it, you can use some of the uh, algorithms operators. Here you can select search here and decision tree. You can just drag and drop. Likewise, I use decision tree, neo bias. Here you can click search neo bias. Then you can see the neo bias model. Just search KNN. Then you can drag and drop the KNN. Likewise, then you can click this plugin and then it will make the plugins. So I use 5 algorithms here to compare what is the best algorithm to choose. So if we click run, then you can see by graph what is the best and what has the most accuracy through the graph. So to show you the KN1 like in blue color, naive bias in green color, random forest in red color. So using this graph, you can choose the best model for your work for comparison. So you can go through each and every operator here. So I only do here like simple tasks. You can do more complex tasks using these AI tools here, and you can test your own dataset as well. Likewise, this AI tool actually provides you more data preparation part. You can clean your data easily. You can transform your data easily. Not only the cleaning, you can merge your data, generate likewise, because you don't need to coding knowledge or use these AI tools. You don't have to type a single word. You can just click and then clean data and then see the best AI model likewise. Always remember in here in design part, you have to save your design. Otherwise, if you make a change, it will disappear. So in the processes, you can right click and store process here. You can click store process and you can give a name and then click OK. So then it will, sorry, then it will save your project, because then you can, after saving, then you can just click here and delete, and then you can do another design and it will likewise. So if I show you, so if you go to this page, they are getting started with Rabbit Miner. You can see they are offering a lot of tutorial videos. So you can go through each and every one and then see how this Rapid Miner AI tool works. So you can use data access and preparation for data loading, importing, preparation, data cleaning, merging, data pivoting, preparation. For each and every feature, they gave you a tutorial video, so you can watch these videos and then learn more about this tool. So in the machine learning, you can create decision trees, applying the models, testing. Also, you can here validate your models and then finding the right model, as I previously did. Then optimize, then automate model selection and optimization, classification, clustering. You can see these videos and to use these AI tools for your work. So um, I'll put this link to the chat. Then you can go to these tutorials. To see each and every video. Uh, uh, so those are the tools that we are going to do in this session. If you go to the previous one, free tool, AI tools, big ML, Office.ai, Rapid Miner, then you can just create a search in the Google and go to the first link. Big ML, obviously, I think you got a very brief idea about how AI tools can use for data science and their works for model building, data preparation, and model deployment. So get in touch with us. So if you have any questions or if you need more info, then contact me or contact Mr. Vidar. So thank you for your valuable time, and I will wrap up this session here. Then I will hand over to Vidar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Floor is open. You can ask any questions. So I'll open the chat window as well, as you can post any questions in the chat. So we can have a few minutes to discuss the questions. So we'll be sharing details as well. You can contact us with us as well. So if you have any questions, we can discuss. Right, any questions? Priyanka, I have a question for you. What are the benefits using the AI tools versus using the traditional way, in your opinion? In traditionally we have to write, a lot of code in Python, and we have to master a lot of frameworks. But beginners want to start data science, and then there's a lot of things they have to follow through. Then versus using the AI tools, and for beginner, and as well as person who already have a data science background using these tools. So what kind of advantages that they might have, and what are the security concerns also in terms of sharing sensitive confidential data in these AI tools?
Yeah, so as a beginner, you can use these AI tools because you don't have a very complex knowledge for coding. Like if you see here, you can here they offer a lot of models for algorithms for model building. So as a beginner, I think you don't know every algorithm, how those algorithms work. Then you can use those algorithms for model building without uh, much knowledge of coding. So as a in the expertise. So if you need to do a small task, small model building, so need to do you don't need to spend more time by coding for coding. for those build for those models. So you can just use these AI tools to save your time, to save your money as well. So I think if we uh, discuss about the security, so these AI tools offer a security panel. You can go through the their website, and then search the security consumptions. You can see what are the security measures they are taking. So they will uh, they do not uh, what is called they do not leak your data for outside partners, for external agents. So they will responsibility for your data and for your sensitive data. So you can see the list of what kind of security they are offering to go through their website, and you can just search the name, AI tool name, and then just see the security.
Okay. Thank you, Priyanka. If there's any other question, you can ask or you can post in the chat. Otherwise, we can wrap up the meetup for today. So I hope you learn a lot in terms of how we can leverage AI tools for data science field. And we are planning to bring more sessions like this. And you can also share your feedbacks in terms of the topics. What are the areas you like to see in this kind of meetups? So we plan to bring at least every 2 months a meetup session, collaborating with different companies, startups, and other organizations. So if you have any feedback, also you can write to us as well. And thank you for joining the meetup. And we'll be sharing the recording in the meetup channel, so you can get that within 2 to 3 days in time, and have a very good evening or very good morning from the where you're joining it. Thank you.